So guys, Savia PCC. So what's special about this Savia PCC GBBR? So technically it's a GBBR. Uses pistol mags, and this is Hi-Kappa magazine. So you can use this. You can use this to Tokyo Marui, or other way around, you can use Tokyo Marui magazine. And then this is MWS system as well. Ang malupit, it uses steel parts na, steel bolt. Yan. So MWS system siya. So yung trigger pull niya maganda na. Good trigger pull, then steel bolt, steel internal parts, steel chamber, wala akong napapalitan. So super solid niya out of the box. So yung mga gusto mag PCC, tas ang problema niyo Glock mags, is way to go. So test natin. Yung bolt. Lakas yung sipa nito. Ito yung sipa. Super strong. So yun. So Savia PCC. So pag gusto nyong bihisan, ginawa namin isang quick na bihis lang. Dahil MWS system siya, Tokyo Marui Z system, magagamit nyo yung furnitures ng Tokyo Marui Z system. So yun. Ang kagandahan si Revanchis, meron na siyang magwell for this one, and meron na rin siyang handguard. So from Team MWS. So yung pogi. So yun na. Ito siya pag nabihisan, ito yung original look. So you can coming soon sa CS Pro Custom. PM lang kayo.